today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious, epic salted caramel brownie kit recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need epic salted caramel brownie kit. For this crust, you will need 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of water, and for the brownie, you will need 5 tablespoons of butter, 2 large eggs, and 2 tablespoons of water. Inside of the box, you get the toppings, crust mix, brownie mix, and salted caramel frosting. We're going to start by melting the 2 tablespoons of butter. In a bowl, we're going to add in the crust mix, and the melted butter and mix. Add in 2 tablespoons of water and keep mixing until a dough forms. We're going to add this to the bottom of an 8 by 8 inch baking pan, and we're going to spread it out evenly. Set this aside for later. Now we're going to melt the 5 tablespoons of butter. In a bowl, we're going to add in the brownie mix. Use a spatula to create a dent in the center of the brownie mix. We're going to crack the 2 eggs into this dent. Scramble together the eggs. Add in the water and continue mixing. Add in the melted butter and mix until completely combined. We're going to pour this mixture over our graham cracker crust. Bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Let cool completely. Once the brownie is completely cooled, we're going to add on the salted caramel frosting and spread it out evenly. Now we're going to add on the toppings. Our epic salted caramel brownies are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.